in. These are the screws. Sorry, these are the screws these are the screws the plate came with. But I believe they're 1 inch. And no, they're 1/2 inch. And it's a 1/2 inch through the board, and then it's a 1/2 inch into here. So I'm going to use my screws, but I need to cut off 1 inch. Well, I need to make them 1 inch. I used a so disorganized. I'm going to need 4 of those. I got a Dremel with a metal, and it's an easy lock fix. Okay, so I measured these up. I try to make them symmetrical. So this is the top here. Okay, so I pinned these out, and then I used a tiny, I think I only have a masonry. You should use a wood, because this smokes when I put it in, for the screw, so that it knows it goes in. I didn't pre-drill, because this already has like a divot for it to slide into. But I did use this counter anchor countersink, which helps with knowing where your screws are going to go. I started here, and then I did these 4, and after I did the counter, I followed up with the drill bit. Then I started circling around. I actually put this as a template, made a circle, and then slowly made it. You have to give your joystick enough room. I think I found that this is the first time. You have to give your joystick enough room to rotate around in its little circle, or it won't get that motion it's supposed to. Now remember, when you make the connections, it's going to shrink everything in, so everything will compress. Notice I'm staying away from these euphemisms, these Beavis and Butthead terms. Yeah, so it'll compress slightly, and you won't have to worry about your measurements being off. Now, I'm going to start a fire. I'm going to start a fire by measuring these screws and then cutting them with the Dremel. needle nose pliers. Excuse me, I have headphones on. I go in from one side, go in from the other. Phillips head. Oh. Needed a larger bit. We'll kind of put it through first. That will kind of match it up. And now I got my joystick. Thank you.